Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well in this quarantine time and preparing your lessons. Today we are going to discuss our next chapter in EVS for class 2nd, and that is chapter 2, our body. Topics we are going to discuss today: organs, external organs, sense organs, internal organs, clean and healthy body. Students, whenever you look in the mirror, you see different parts of your body. Different parts of your body do different things. They all work together so that you can eat, sit, play, study, and sleep. The most interesting thing about our body is what is the most important chemical in our body? About two-thirds of our weight is water. We should drink around 2 liters of water daily. And you know what? Our body is made up of bones and muscles. All the bones together in a body form the skeleton. Muscles are the soft parts of our body. Now, let us learn about organs. What are organs? Each part of our body that carries out a particular function is known as organ. Organs are classified into three categories. First, external organs. Second, sense organs. Third, internal organs. Now, let us learn about external organs. What are external organs? The parts of the body that can be seen and are outside the body are called external organs. Our head, neck, arms, elbow, chest, hands, legs, etc. are external organs. In this picture, you can see different types of external organs. Now, let us learn some functions of some of the external organs. Head. The head comprises of the forehead, eyebrows, eyes, eyelashes, nose, ears, cheek, mouth, chin, etc. Neck. We are able to move our head up and down and sideways because of our neck. Students, whenever a book falls, you are able to pick it up. Have you ever thought how? Because of your waist. Whenever you do exercise, you often bend in front, sideways, slightly at the back. This is because you can bend at your waist. And you know what? Below the shoulders are the chest, stomach, waist, back, and hips. Arms and legs. Students, you are able to bend your arm because of your elbow. You are able to bend your leg because of your knee. And you know what? Arms and legs are called limbs. Now, let us learn about sense organs. What are sense organs? The parts of the body that help us to feel and sense things around us are known as sense organs. And you know what? There are 5 sense organs. Now, let us learn about these sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to listen. Tongue help us to taste. Nose help us to smell. Skin help us to touch and feel things. Now, let us learn about internal organs. What are internal organs? The parts of the body that are inside the body and cannot be seen are called internal organs. The internal organs are the brain, lungs, heart, liver, stomach, large and small intestines, bladder, and kidney. Now, let us learn about the functions of these internal organs. Brain. The brain is located in the head. It is protected by the skull. Brain controls our body. Lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. And you know what? There are two lungs in our body. They are located in the chest cavity protected by the rib cage. Heart. The heart is between the two lungs. The heart pumps blood and supplies it to the rest of the body. And you know what? The heart is approximately the size of one's fist. Liver. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It lies in the upper right abdomen. Liver stores food and purifies the blood. Stomach. Stomach lies in the upper abdomen. The stomach helps us to digest the food. Small and large intestines. The small intestine is a very long tube which lies curled in the lower abdomen. It is surrounded by the large intestine. They help us in digestion process. Bladder and kidneys. It is located in the lower abdomen. The kidney is a bean-shaped organ. The kidneys purify the blood by removing waste matter from it. Now, let us learn how to keep our body clean and healthy. It is very important to keep our body clean and healthy. To stay healthy, we must follow some good habits. Like, we should wake up early in the morning, we should brush our teeth daily, we should take bath every day, we should wash our hands before eating, we should eat healthy food, and we should exercise every day. Students, these are some activities for you. You may draw the figure in your rough copy and solve it. Label the different parts of our body using the words in the box. Color and match the five senses. Label the internal body parts. Thank you, students. Hope to meet you soon.